Hey guys, I wanted to show you my blind chicken Tess. I wanted to show you how she's able to navigate her way into the coop. I would have shown how she walked to the entry, but I didn't catch that in time. I'll show you that another time. But notice how she's able to jump up there. And notice in the background, you can hear in the background Miranda. As in fact, Miranda just went in herself, and Miranda will make that noise until Tess comes inside. And I think Miranda is doing that so that Tess can hear her and navigate her way towards her. Now, below, you can hear another chicken that is Lily. Lily is waiting to get inside, so I'm in her way. But watch how Tess does. You can hear she's a little stressed. But I think it's important for her to be independent as long as possible. I do take her out of the coop in the morning. She's there waiting for me, and boy, she puts up a fuss too if I'm late. Notice you can hear Miranda still. Now she's making her way to one of the nesting boxes. There are two nesting boxes on that side. One of them is like a double size nesting box, and that's the one she likes to sleep in. The roosting bar where Miranda is just above the nesting box. None of the hens on this side are laying, so it's no big deal for her to sleep in the nesting box. All of these are, I guess you can say, retired. Notice you don't hear Miranda anymore. It's amazing.